Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. Today we'll be explaining to you how to braid hair. Like I'm going to be giving you a detailed explanation on how to braid hair. This hair I'm starting with partitioning it or cutting it to two different halves because I just want to braid it all back. If um Yeah, I'm going to show you how to do all back. So in other videos, I'm going to show you how we do maybe like shuku, the one in the middle, and any different other hairstyles. So if you've watched my previous videos, you already know that I'm always like emphasizing like you detangle from the tip but not from the roots. Yes, I'm telling you again. So when you want to detangle your hair, whether it's relaxed or natural, please detangle from the tip, not from the roots. And if you watch my previous video, you see I usually use a particular detangler. This is like very easy to detangle the hair, but in this case I didn't have, so I rather used white tooth combs. I applied shea butter on the tip of the hair. It made the hair softer to detangle, and I used my spray bottle with my moisturizing mix. So yes, just make sure you detangle the hair as appropriate. Now guys, a quick way of how to do this hair is that you take three small portions in the front, then the one in the front goes all the way to the back, the one in the back goes to the middle, and the one in the middle goes to the front. I'm going to repeat myself. The one in the front goes all the way to the back, the one in the back goes to the middle, and the one in the middle goes to the front. So when we continue that process, we keep picking a little bit of hair that is remaining at the back, the one I'm using like my other hand to hold a lot of. So we keep picking. The one at the back goes, the one at the front goes all the way to the back, the one at the back goes to the middle, and the one in the middle goes to the front. So we just keep repeating the process of doing that. And please note the amount of hair you pick while doing this picking, moving to the front, the middle, and the back will determine how big or how tiny your braid will look. Since this is a natural hair and you want to tuck in all hair or every strand of hair, it's advisable to pick the hair little by little and you detangle as you move on. You see, if I keep moving, because it's natural hair now, I try to detangle every step that I do so that it will not get to the stage where it becomes or it's so hard to detangle on its own. So yes, we braid it and we just repeat the process. So stick with me. I'm going to show you again how to do this. So guys, help me, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Please subscribe, help me reach at least a notable goal this month. And this month is almost ending, but there's nothing God can do. But so please don't forget to subscribe. If you find it helpful, please like. If you see that somebody will need it, please share. Thank you. So back to the process, guys. We take it again, and remember, what do we say we'll do? We take the one in the front all the way to the back, the one at the back to the middle, the one in the middle to the front. So that's how it is. The one in the front all the way to the back, the one in the back to the middle, the one in the middle to the front. Kind of like a reverse process. So We like all that clockwise or anti-clockwise. Whatever it is, please tell me in the comment section. So that's how we'll keep going. I'll keep taking little strands of hair as we go. The one in the front to the back, the one in the back to the middle, the one in the middle to the front. So do you understand? Like we are going in circles, but then just in a straight line. So yes, that's how we do it. We pick the hair at the back, small, detangle on your way, and I think the extent at which you detangle your hair before you start braiding, either yours or someone's braiding, has to do. We affect how much detangling you have to do on the way when you are actually doing the hair. So it's just advisable to detangle your hair very well before you make the hair. So yes, guys.
And what did you say?
You never touch a black girl's heel, Dad. Because if you touch my black girl heel, you'll get in trouble. Really big trouble. Black girl's heel is important to them. You can't go touching people. You can't go walking around touching people's afros. It's not valuable and it's not what you do.
Another quick reminder, guys, it is for free to subscribe. Like, they're not going to charge you a dime. Please don't forget to subscribe and like. Please. When you subscribe, don't forget to turn on the post notification bell. And yes, so now I finished the other side and we are on the other side. So I think this is slower and it's explained deeply. I said you separate 3 portions. Can you see? And that's the third one. Can y'all see? The one in the front will go to the back. Can you see? And the one in the back goes to the middle. Then we continue the process. Small, teeny. That's how we do it. The one in the back goes to the middle. The one in the back goes to the middle. The one in the front goes to the back. The one in the middle goes to the front. Yeah, so that's how we do it. This is how we do it. Yes. And guys, I have more videos on how to style your natural hair. The link will be in my description box. And yes, so how to style your natural hair, quick styles, the one without attachment. Sometimes you feel like you don't want to add anything to your hair and you still want to go out looking bomb. So yes, I have that link in my description box. I also have another video on how to style your hair, that is braids, and another video on how to braid your hair, the same hair but with bigger chunks of hair. Like, it's not as small as this one. So all the links will be left in the description box below. And try to tell me the ones that you found most helpful. So thank you.
I am willing to be seen. I am willing to speak up. I am willing to keep going. I am willing to listen to what others have to say. I am willing to go forward even when I feel alone. I am willing to go to bed each night at peace with myself. I am willing to be my biggest, bestest, most powerful self. These 7 statements scare the absolute shit out of me. I am willing to be seen. I am willing to speak up. I am willing to keep going. I am willing to listen to what others have to say. I am willing to go forward even when I feel alone. I am willing to go to bed each night at peace with myself. I am willing to be my biggest, bestest, most powerful self. These 7 statements scare the absolute shit out of me.
Where did you find the strength?
We're women, honey. The strength finds us.
Held down heaven now, living in the.
Where did you find the strength?
We're women, honey. The strength finds us.
Held down heaven now, living in the.
When we get married, there's no such thing as divorce. You're tired of me? Go to bed. We'll try again tomorrow. When we get married, there's no such thing as divorce. You're tired of me? Go to bed. We'll try again tomorrow.